Top 5 Best Printer for Cricut Print and Cut. Number 5. Epson Workforce Wireless Printer. The Epson Workforce WF7720 is one of the best wide-format color printers in the market. It has fast and efficient functionality without sacrificing any of the promised quality. If you are looking to invest in any wide-format printer, this is the perfect choice for you. With the responsive color touchscreen, you can easily navigate the many functionalities the printer offers. And even if you are not physically close to the printer, no worries. The printer comes equipped with the wireless LAN feature that allows you to print, scan, and fax from anywhere in the range. Epson equipped the printer with precision core technology. Its print heads use smaller drops of inks, so you will get a more detailed image with fewer imperfections. The Workforce WF7720 also comes equipped with a high-density print chip which allows the printer to create up to 40 million dots with accuracy. As a result, you end up having high-quality prints with fewer imperfections. As a wide-format printer, the duplex paper tray is a very desirable feature. Thanks to the 2 paper trays, you can easily store papers of 2 sizes in different trays. It also features an auto-document feeder that adds to the efficiency of your workstation. Coming in number 4. HP Envy Wireless All-in-One. HP is well known for its easy-to-use printers, and the Envy 5055 is no different. Thanks to the HP Smart app, the printer can be easily set up within 5 or so minutes, saving you time and effort. You can also print from social media or the cloud and scan documents with your camera. Like all inkjet printers, the HP Envy 5055 offers a greater support range for all paper sizes. This wide range of support is what makes this printer a great candidate for the Best Printer for Cricut Explore title. While it does deliver you with higher quality prints, it has very economical pricing. That is why it has a slower delivery time. However, if you prefer quality over speed, this is the printer for you. It also offers borderless photo prints no matter the size, and it does so without sacrificing the print quality. The manufacturers have designed the Envy 5055 with a low-profile build. It will subtly fit your desk without taking up much space. And it also keeps quiet during operation. So, you can take care of your printing needs at nobody's expense. Coming in number 3. Cricut Explore Air 2. We all know how tiresome and time-consuming it is to cut your DIY stickers or crafts with scissors. Cutting them on your leaves uneven edges and hurt hands. Well, not anymore. We bring you the Cricut Explore Air 2, which will do the printing and the cutting itself. The difference between cutting your printed medium yourself and letting the Cricut Explore Air 2 do it is night and day. You won't notice any uneven edges. Everything will be cut super accurately. Although the dialer on the printer has only 7 materials to choose from, you can cut up to 100 different types of materials, including vinyl, cardstock, paper, iron-on, vellum, etc., by selecting the custom option from the dialer. From thin paper to thick leather, it can cut about anything you want. But, what sets it apart from the first Cricut Explore? The main difference is the performance. You get almost twice the speed in Air 2. This is possible because of the dual carriage housing, which allows you to write, cut, and score. The previous one had only one carriage. Have you wondered what the Air in the name implies? Yes, you guessed it right. The Air 2 does not require any Ethernet cable connection. All the printing and cutting are done through Bluetooth. With the inclusion of the cloud-based software that lets you upload, download, create designs for free from any computer, tablet, or smartphone, the Cricut Explore Air 2 is all you will ever need for printing and cutting. Your imagination is the only limit. Coming in number 2. Canon Pixma Wireless Printer. As a top-of-the-line product with very economical pricing, this inkjet printer comes in black color and uses glossy photo paper to provide you with exceptionally detailed printing. One of its standard interfaces is wireless LAN that allows you to print and scan anything you want from any connected device around the house. For instance, you are in the garden, and you come across a beautiful scenario that you want to be printed immediately. You simply have to take out your mobile device and command the printer to print. And voila! You have got yourself a printed copy. Thanks to its downloadable solution templates, you will not need to create documents from scratch anymore. Your work life will become much more efficient with the Pixma 96820. Its auto power on feature will allow you not to waste time turning it on when you need to use it. Whenever you send a photo or document to print, it will automatically turn on and start printing. Also, it is compatible with the ink of 5 pigments: black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. And they all have their individual ink tanks. So, if you run out of any specific color, you can simply replace that one color instead of the whole bunch. Coming in number 1. Epson Wireless Printer for Cricut Print and Cut. This is our first pick for the best printer for Cricut Print and Cut. The device is a sleek-looking inkjet printer that comes in black color. If you are an economic thinker, this is the printer for you. It saves up to 80% power compared to other color laser printers. Wireless connectivity is one of the most significant selling points for this device. So, you are not limited to working from only your computer. You can use your iPhone, iPad, smartphones, and Android tablets to connect to this printer and print whatever you want from wherever you want. Thanks to the Precision Core technology, this inkjet printer will allow you to create prints up to 13 by 19 inches in size. The device also comes equipped with a high-density print chip, which is able to produce no less than 40 million dots every second. And it does it with excellent accuracy, making your work look clean. For DURA Bright Ultra ink cartridges come accompanied by the product. They are magenta, cyan, black, and yellow. In addition, you'll be getting a rear feed which will increase the effectiveness of your workstation.